here and I wanted to show you how to take off the lid of your magnet, because I think we're going to have to adjust some bolts that aren't necessarily available to be adjusted with the bands and the top on. So I'm going to take you through taking the top and the bands off. First of all, there are 8 screws that hold the top and the bands on. And if you look carefully on the front right corner over here, there's 2 screws that are screwed to the bottom. And on the front left, there's 2 screws that are screwed into the top. So these 2 screws you will remove first, along with over in this corner, we'll remove the 2 screws over here. You have to unscrew them. Once these, oops, I forgot, I haven't installed this properly yet. Make sure that these screws are put far away from the magnet. Get a beaker and stick them in a beaker while you're doing that. After you have those 4 screws, the top is loose now and it can be lifted off. But first, you want to open the lid, and there's a Tygon tube going from this valve down to the top of the probe, and from this valve down to the probe. This is your eject, this is your spin. So you'll want to reach in and remove those. Likewise, there's an air line coming from the magnet going to this valve, the very bottom of that valve, that you'll want to pull off. And once that's done, now all the air stuff is disconnected from the magnet, so we can lift the magnet off. Yours will be screwed on, but mine was just laying on there. The way that I take this off, if you have another person there, it's easy. 2 people can grab it, 1 on each side, and just lift it straight up. 1 person, what I do is I just hold it against myself and lift it straight off. Recall now that the wheels on this side are fixed. They can really only go this way, whereas the wheels on this side can go 360 degrees. So the magnet, like you found out yesterday, can roll this way, and now we can roll it back and forth if we need to or whatnot. Just wanted to show you on the side of the magnet now, you can get to the top hole here. And because we remove this band, you can kind of move this out of the way and we can get to one of the X screws, but we can't get to the other X screw because this is screwed on. So now you would remove these 2 screws from this side, the 2 screws from that side, and then the bands will come straight off. By the way, the bands are slightly different. This is the short band, this is the long band, so when you put them back the way they should go.